Welcome to the Insta-Worthy Filters course, your one-time stop to creating passive income and financial freedom. I'm your host, Kim Cohen, award-winning travel blogger, influencer, content creator, author, mentor, and entrepreneur. I started my journey back in early 2014 when I decided to become a travel blogger, travel the world, and make all of my wildest dreams come true. I was actually one of the first ones in the industry. In the past 8 years, I've learned so much about photography, editing, web designing, social media, digital products, and how to make multiple streams of income online. But most importantly, how to turn them into passive income. Creating my Lightroom preset was one of my first official passive income that I created for myself back in 2019. But the idea originated in 2018. And it is one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life. I've made 6 figures through selling photo filters, and I'm here to teach you the blueprints of how all that's possible. I'll also be teaching you guys other ways of making passive income through this industry. So sit back, relax, allow your mind to be open and the creativity within you to come to life. We're about to have so much fun. Let's get started.